Hello?
Hello, Miss Natasha.
Who is this?
Do I really need to answer this question?
Absolutely not, Mr. Kabir Singhania. What made you call me? वो भी इतनी रात को.
Let's just say I wanted to have a conversation with you.
Interesting. I think this conversation is about that case. Right, Mr. Singhania?
That's correct, Miss Natasha.
Well, Mr. Singhania, if you are under the impression कि ऐसे मुझे लेट नाइट कॉल करके तुम मुझे ये केस वापस लेने के लिए कन्विंस कर लोगे तो आई एम अफ्रेड यू आर गोइंग टू बी वेरी डिसअपॉइंटेड.
I see.
सो अब बताओ मैं तुम्हारे लिए क्या कर सकती हूँ?
Tell me, Miss Natasha, do you enjoy whiskey?
Well, yes, I do enjoy it. पर क्यों?
Well, apparently I don't enjoy it. But you know, sometimes I have to drink. क्योंकि कभी कभार मैं जिन लोगों से मिलता हूँ ना, वो लोग वो ड्रिंक अफोर्ड नहीं कर सकते जो मुझे अच्छी लगती है. So, I don't have a choice.
Interesting, Mr. Singhania, but ये तुम मुझे क्यों बता रहे हो?
Just letting you know, Miss Natasha, कि अभी I'm drinking whiskey only. And you know why? क्योंकि मैं एक ऐसे इंसान से बात कर रहा हूँ who's trying too hard to match me. But unfortunately, she can't.
Oh, that is too harsh, Mr. Singhania. Anyways, तुम्हें यही बात करनी थी? Because now I have to go back to my job, which is to put you behind bars. Have a good evening, Mr. Singhania.
Overconfidence precedes carelessness, Miss Natasha. अक्सर इतने कॉन्फिडेंट लोग मुंह की खाते हैं. I'm telling you, just don't try too hard.
Oh, don't worry, Mr. Kabir. I can do this. Trust me, I'm a big girl.
But you don't have enough time, Miss Natasha.
I'm not too worried. You see, the hearing date is 20th April, मतलब कि I still have a whole week, right? और तुम्हें पता होना चाहिए.
Miss Natasha, listen. मैंने कब कहा कि तुम्हारे पास केस के लिए टाइम नहीं? What I was trying to tell you is you don't have enough time left in your life. तुम्हारे पास ज्यादा टाइम नहीं बचा है.
Excuse me? Are you trying to blackmail me?
Well, तुम्हारे कमरे की लाइट थोड़ी डिम है. You're sitting on a red couch और तुमने एक black one piece पहनी है जिसकी लेंथ बिल्कुल तुम्हारे knees तक है. And you're sitting cross-legged.
How? What? कहाँ? कैसे देख पा रहे हो तुम मुझे? Are you spying on me? कैसा भद्दा मजाक है ये? What is going on, Mr. Kabir?
It's not a joke, Miss Natasha. It's just a demo कि तुम्हारे पास ज्यादा वक्त नहीं बचा है.
मिस्टर कबीर, तुम्हें सच में लगता है कि ऐसे डरा धमका के तुम मुझे ये केस ड्रॉप करवा दोगे? Really?
Absolutely not. I don't want you to drop the case, Miss Natasha.
Then why are you spying on me? तुम्हें पता होना चाहिए कि मैं डरने वालों में से नहीं हूं. And you are the prime suspect in this money laundering case. And
वही तो बात है, Miss Natasha, कि मैं अभी भी बस एक सस्पेक्ट हूं. कोर्ट में मैं अभी तक गिल्टी प्रूव नहीं हुआ हूं.
don't worry, Mr. कबीर. कोर्ट बहुत जल्द तुम्हें क्रिमिनल डिक्लेयर कर देगी. Because I am going to make it happen. समझे? You are not going to get away with any of this.
और तुम्हें सच में लगता है कि मैं ये होने दूंगा? तुमने अपने करंट लोकेशन की डिटेल्स ठीक से नहीं सुनी क्या? Or should I repeat it again?
फिर से धमकाने की कोशिश कर रहे हो मुझे? I can't believe this. It's a little sad, no, Mr. Singhania?
Actually, I have a deal for you.
ओ, तो अब दूसरे तरीके से धमकाने वाले हो मुझे?
मिस नताशा, केस तो चलेगा. Don't worry.
That's correct. It will and
Hearing भी होगी.
of course होगी. But मुझे ये obvious बातें बताने का point क्या है?
Nothing. We're just going to play a game. A game of sacrifice.
What do you mean, Mr. Kabir?
You know exactly what I mean. Question is, are you ready to play this game with me?
Okay, now I got it. तो तुम अपने ऊपर लगे हुए चार्जेस किसी और पे डालना चाहते हो, right? You want to get away with everything and make it somebody else's problem. How brave of you, Mr. Kabir.
You know, there's big prize money for the winner of this game.
Oh, I see now. So you're not trying to blackmail me. तुम तो मुझे खरीदना चाहते हो, right?
Well, some people call it salary, some call it prize money, and some call it a gift. It's up to you, but the question is, do you want to play this game?
Oh, interesting. Okay, let's play this game. मैं भी देखना चाहती हूँ कि तुम किस हद तक जा सकते हो.
मिस नताशा, तुम्हें आइडिया भी नहीं है कि कबीर सिंघानिया कितना शातिर खिलाड़ी है.
Oh, शातिर. Okay, tell me one thing. ये जो तुम मुझ पे नजर रखे हुए हो, is it about this case या ये सब करने में तुम्हें मजा आ रहा है?
What?
Okay, let's not get confused. इसे अभी फिगर आउट कर लेते हैं.
I don't know what you're trying to do, but please don't waste my time.
अभी तुमने कहा ना that you could see me in my black dress.
Yes.
और तुमने ये भी कहा कि my legs are crossed, right?
Yes, in fact, your right leg is on top of your left leg. It's true, right?
Yes, that's true. Now how about I uncross them and make them wide open? How's the view?
Natasha. What are you trying to do here?
Nothing. Just letting you know कि अगर तुम zoom करोगे तो you might catch a glimpse of something really special. You know what I mean, Mr. Singhania? What happened, Mr. Kabir? Dim lights में कुछ चीजें ठीक से नहीं दिख रही क्या? Alexa, turn on the lights, maximum brightness. How about now, Mr. Kabir?
Natasha, I don't have time for this nonsense. मेरी भी एक meeting है. I'll call you later.
Sure, Mr. Kabir. I'll be waiting for you. Mr. Kabir, अब देखना मैं तुम्हारा क्या करती हूँ. Just wait and watch.